Once we have the interpreter initialized with the model, the next step is to prepare the images for input to the interpreter. And it's not as simple as just passing the image in. In this example, the MobileNet model we're using expects the input to be 224 by 224, so the image will need to be resized to that. But also how the image is represented in memory will need to change. So for example, if we pick an individual pixel in the image that is green, that's likely to be stored as ARGB using 32 bits, 8 for transparency, 8 for red, 8 for green, and 8 for blue. The model expects 3 different values, losing transparency, so it only wants red, green, and blue values. And these also have to be normalized to values between 0 and 1 by subtracting the mean value and then dividing by the standard deviation, or as a shortcut, you could just divide by 255. So in the code, the first thing we'll do is resize the bitmap to 224 by 224 using create scaled bitmap. And then we'll convert it to a byte buffer to make handling the individual color bytes easier. The red, green, and blue channels can be taken using masking with code like this. Namely, to get the red channel, you shift the value 16 bits to the right and mask the last 8. The green is achieved by shifting the value 8 bits to the right and then masking the last 8, and the blue is just masking the last 8. So to prepare the bytes for the interpreter, we go through a loop like this. Iterating over the width of 224 and the height of 224, we convert the pixel to its normalized channel value and put them in a byte buffer.